day. Twinkie hush. You all been good, cows? Making lots of milk? You be good cows. Twinkie hush, they're good little cows. Eat your food. Yeah, you're all like, hey, who's this? What's up, big cows? Oh, Twinkie, it's okay. They're just cows. I know you haven't seen cows before. They're just eating breakfast. Hello. Yeah, you all want to stop and say hi, huh? Hope you guys having a good day. You guys all got to stop and look up and say, what is this? We haven't seen something like that before. I always find it interesting that when I ride by cows and horses, they all stop and just stare. So what in the world? It's a strange looking car. It's a strange looking human. Yeah, wish you guys could be out on the farm somewhere where you could just roam and graze. It's a big pasture. Boy, you guys are all lined up, eating your food. See you later. There's a lot of science and history behind how they raise cattle, but I've seen on this past 5 months riding around the country different techniques. It looks like I've seen some cows, cattle out, just kind of grazing out on hillsides, out in pastures, even in some of the areas where I've camped, they've just wandered through. And then I've seen some farms, some dairy farms, some places like just past where they're kept in these big fenced in areas, you know, and they're fed like that instead of out, you know, grazing. So I would think that the other methods where the cattle are off, you know, kind of on their own would be better. But I assume that the way that where we just passed is probably more efficient, and you know, it's less about the cows being happy and just about raising them and using them, you know, as quickly as possible. belief is if we are going to use them, if we're going to raise them for food, for milk, I would want to at least give them the, the best life possible until they're, make them, and give them the best life possible where they're happy. And I think animals do have emotions. Happiness is one of them. But where they're happy, and then, if they are raised for food, make their death as painless and quick as possible. I think that's one of